What's up, guys? We're back again today with the 04 WRX. If you were here for the last video, we already tore the interior out, most of it. We're gonna put some new carpet in there because the old carpet was gross. Anyway, today, don't mind the dog in the background. Today we're gonna pull the motor out. We're gonna get the engine bay cleaned up. I might pull the transmission as well. We're just trying to get everything kind of stripped out of it so I can start prepping the car for paint. And I'll paint the engine bay if need be. We'll see how the paint looks under there when we get the motor out of there. So. All right, I think I'm gonna start with pulling this radiator out, and then work away from there. And yeah, another bolt that wasn't properly tightened down. And that's the right size bolt. This bolt was literally left on like it's on about 2 threads. It's not even the right size. Never tightened down. Again, I don't know how this car ran. Well, that bolt's stuck in there. What am I doing? Why am I here? Alright, that's out. Ready to lost the extension. Where art thou? Oh goodness, this turbo's gone. Completely gone. Oh god. know, my favorite story is, you know, when the Tahoe got stuck in the mud.
Hold on.
Man, I gotta pee like a trucker in a rainstorm.
The Tahoe got stuck in the mud?
The Tahoe got stuck in some mud. And, you know, I didn't really have any other options. That the Subaru was right there.
But that thing's 4-wheel drive.
Well, it wasn't working at the time. The Subaru's all-wheel drive, though. The real red Subaru, right?
Oh,
You wouldn't
wow.
believe it when I tell you this. Dude, I pulled the Tahoe out of the mud with the red Subaru.
No way.
Yeah, I kid you not.
I don't believe you did. What?
Oh yeah, baby.
Oh, yeah, she's
Oh,
coming.
brother. Oh, she's coming, brother. Hold on, I ain't in there. Come on, wiggle it.
That's what she said.
Oh, I'm trying. I don't know what you're doing. Doesn't seem like you're doing anything. Coming?
No, you're free. You're free. You're free. I heard. You're free. All right, engine is out. I'm gonna go ahead and keep working on getting some more stuff out of here. Probably get the AC stuff out next. Just want to get basically access to the body so I can paint it. So it's getting a little dark outside, but we're gonna keep rolling. Oh, we got a back and insert. See it? Right here? So that green? It's leaking right there in the middle.
Oh yeah.
I just cut these because I'm tired of playing with that. I'll just solder them back later.
Hey, we're here working on the Subaru. I just wanted to wrap up this video, guys. It's
All right, guys, that's about all we can do tonight. It's getting dark outside, so we're going to wrap it up. I'm going to get all this cleaned up, and Matthew over here has an extra Jeep that I can use for storage, so I'm going to put this motor in there and all the extra parts. We're going to pick back up in the next video of tearing out the stuff in the engine bay and start tearing the suspension out of it. So
be sure to leave a comment, leave some love down there with my
my guy, my G, my dog. He's working hard. He's putting in them hours, folks. So go down there. Go down there. Hit him up. Hit him up in the comments. Be like, what up, brother? Love the build. Like, subscribe.
What he said.
Keep chilling, dog. We'll catch
Well,
you on the flip flop.
Yeah. Catch you in the next one.
What's up?